Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lift your Subaru Crosstrek. We'll cover why you might want to increase your vehicle's ground clearance, explore the various lift kit options available, and discuss key considerations before you begin. This guide aims to help you confidently approach your Crosstrek's transformation, ensuring a successful and informed upgrade. When choosing a lift, you'll typically find spacer lifts, which are simple and affordable, often providing 1.5 to 2 inches of lift. Coilover kits offer more adjustability and performance benefits. For larger lifts, a subframe drop kit helps maintain proper suspension angles, crucial for handling and component longevity. The installation process involves safely lifting your vehicle and supporting it securely. You'll then disconnect and remove specific suspension components to make room for the new lift parts. Carefully install the new spacers or coilovers, ensuring all bolts are torqued to the manufacturer's specifications for safety and proper function. After installing your lift, a professional wheel alignment is absolutely essential to correct camber and toe. You might also consider larger tires, which could necessitate minor fender trimming. Be mindful that lifting can slightly alter your vehicle's handling characteristics. Now, go enjoy the increased ground clearance and improved off-road adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.